Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing great. And in today's video, we're going to discuss lesson 2.5, which is all about algebraic fractions. All right, so let's start here with the first section, question 1. It says to you 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. These are normal fractions. You learned how to handle this in year 4, actually, which is actually, Mister, we're going to keep the denominators the same. It's 2 over 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here, 5 and 5, the denominators are already the same, so I am ready to add or subtract. Both of them are going to be the same. So here, 1 plus 2 is 3, the denominators stay the same. So here is going to be 5, the denominator is going to be the same. The denominators are already the same, no problem at all. It's going to be 4 over 8, but simplifying it, divided by 4 is half. Here is going to become 3 over 9. Simplifying it is 1 over 3. Here is going to be 6 over 10. Simplifying it, which is dividing both of them by 2, is going to give us 3 over 5. All right, so that was just a reminder of year 4 work. The next section here says to you, if I have x over 3 plus x over 3, it means the denominator is going to stay the same, Mister, as we agreed, but the numerators add them up to x. The denominator here is going to stay the same, add them up, 3x. Denominator is going to stay the same, add them up, 5y. Denominator is going to stay the same, add them up, 4y. But simplify, Mister. 4 over 8 is half, so it's 1y over 2, which is just y over 2. Here, denominators are the same, so they stay the same. M plus 2m is 3m. Simplify, Mr. 3 over 9 divided by 3 is 1m over 3, which is just m over 3. Here is going to be 6n over 10. Denominator is going to stay the same. Simplifying it, the 6 with the 10, dividing it by 2 is 3. N dividing it by 2 is going to be 5. Here, they also did it for you. It is 5 over 8, the same. And here is going to be okay. Now the denominators are different. Then what are we going to do? We're going to make the denominators the same. How, yeah, Mister? There are so many ways to do so. So one of them is just whatever comes to your mind. You can just say to me, oh, Mister, I'm going to multiply this by 9 down, 9 up. And here, 3 up and down. I took this denominator, multiplied it up and down there. I took this denominator, multiplied it up and down here. So that's going to be right as well. That will make the denominators the same. Add, keep the denominator the same. But someone else might have said, oh, Mister, no, I'm not going to do this. There's something that is much easier, which is just multiplying this down here by 3 and up here by 3, which will make it 3 over 9 plus 2 over 9. And the denominators are the same without touching the second fraction. Still correct, and it's going to give you 5 over 9. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 6. You need to multiply this by 2, and this by 2 will make it 4 over 6 minus 1 over 6, which will be 3 over 6, which is a half. Multiplying this by 2, multiplying up by 2, this remains the same, 11 over 12 minus 3, we said 2, so times 2 is going to be 2, times 2 is going to be 12, subtracting is going to be 9 over 12, simplifying is going to become 3 over 4. Let's continue. Multiplying here this by 2, okay, let's take these fractions, all right, to the other side here, because we need space. So here, it's x over 4 plus 3x over 8. How can I do this, Mister? I can just simply multiply this by 2 and this by 2. No problem at all. Let's do it. So 2x over 8 plus 3x over 8 equals 5x over 8. That's it. So 5x over 8. Here, in the second question, Mister, is going to be the same thing exactly. It is y over 3. Let's take something that is harder because b is also the same like a. C is also the same. D is also the same, but let's take D. 11b over 12 minus b over 6 equals. Multiply down by 2, up by 2. So it becomes 11 over b over 12, stays the same, minus 2b over 12. Okay, Mister, 12 stays the same. 11b minus 2b 9b. Oh, after I simplify, divide by 3 becomes 3b over 4. So 3b over 4. The same thing exactly. The four of them, you follow the same technique exactly. Make the denominators the same. And definitely, if you multiply the denominator by something to make it the same, you must multiply the numerator of that fraction also. Question 5. Too easy. Everything is the same like what we've answered up there. Like a, for example, denominators are the same. It's over 4. X plus x is 2x. Let me try to find something that is different. Everything is the same, but let's take I and J, for example. I and J, here, 8y, I'm going to multiply it by 2. Y mustard to make it 16y so that they become the same. So let's take it up here. So now I have to multiply 8y by 2, it's 16y, and here also 16y. But I multiplied down by 2, so up must be also multiplied by 2, so 10. And here the 5 stays the same. 10 over 16y minus 5 over 16y, the denominator and mystery stays the same 16y. 10 minus 5 is just 5. Good? All right. J, let's take it down here. J. Mister, I'm going to multiply 4y by 6 and multiply the 3 by 6. That will make the denominators the same. So it's going to become 18 over 24y minus 1 over 24y. What is the denominator going to be? 24y as it is. 18 minus 1 is 17. As you see, guys, we're following the same steps exactly. All right. Let's erase all of this. Here, it says to you in the next question, here are some algebraic fraction cards. Simplify each expression, then sort the cards into two groups. Explain your reasons for sorting the cards. You're gonna just multiply, you're gonna multiply this by 2 and this by 2, this fraction, they will be 18x over 20. The denominators are the same. 18x minus 13x will be 5x over 20. Just to do it simply, like what we've done the previous 6 questions that we've done so far in the video. The same technique exactly. Same technique exactly also here. 2 down, 2 up will make the denominators the same. 2 down, 2 up will make the denominators the same. Same thing here. 2 down, 2 up. Here, 3 down, 3 up will make the denominator the same. Here, 2 down, 2 up will make the denominators also the same. So you add, now you simplify each expression, done, mister. After you add and you simplify and you make the denominators the same, you go to the answer. Let's go to the answer key just to save some time. It was question what? Question 10, second, 6A. Question 6A in lesson 2.5. Here we go. It says to you, ADF all are equal to 1 over 4x, or which is the same exactly as x over 4. So AD and F, they have the same value. B and C both have the same value. E, card E, which equals this is on its own. No, sorry, that's a different question. Okay, so it's just ADF together because they have the same answer. B and C together because they have the same answer. All right, let's continue. Which card does not fit? Card E, as we saw here, they said to you card E, it is equal to a completely different thing. Here, simplifying the same thing exactly like what we explained up there. Nothing is different. But let's take, for example, here, I and answer it together. And H as well. So let's take H. Oh, mister, what am I supposed to do here? Well, I need to make the denominator the same. Okay, Mr. Bess, what am I supposed to multiply the 7 by to give me b, or the b by to give me 7? I can't. Yes, so you multiply down here by 7, up by 7, down here by b, up by b. So the first fraction, a times b, is ab, over 7 times b is 7b, minus 5 times 7 is 35, over b times 7 is 7b. Now, Mister, I made the denominators the same. So when I have such a case, you're supposed to multiply each fraction by the other denominator. So here, a over 7 multiplied by b up, b down. We took it from the other denominator. 5 over b multiplied by 7 up, 7 down. We took it from the other denominator. Now I have the denominators the same, so it is the denominator stays the same down here, 7b. So it is AB minus 35. That is it. You don't touch it. Okay, what else is there? Let me erase, or let's keep it in there. This one, Mister, I'm going to multiply here by 4b, up and down. And here I multiply by 9, up and down. So the new question would be 4b times 2a will be 8ab, over 4b times 9 is 36b, 36b, minus 9 times 5 is 45, over 9 times 4b, 36b. So let's do it. 8ab minus 45. So 8ab minus 45 over 36b. That is it. Okay? So this is the final answer. Can we simplify it, Mister? No, you can't. The variables must be the same to be able to add or subtract. Don't say to me 8ab minus 45, I'm going to answer, it's going to give me negative 30 something. No, 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 you can't. If it was 8ab minus 45ab, yes, I would have said to you simplify. Let's continue. Here is a question. It says here, this is part of Siren's homework. That's what she did. 8x plus 2 over 2. Her answer, to simplify it, she did this. She said the 2 with the 2 bye-bye. So it's 8x. Definitely this is not right. But how can I simplify, Mr. such a fraction? That's what we're supposed to do. Let's simplify this. 8x plus 2 over 2. And I need to simplify it. How can I simplify it? First, can you factorize 8x plus 2? Is there a factor that you can get from there? Or in other words, is there a number that you can divide both of them by? Yes, Mister, I can take a 2 out of both of them. I can divide both terms by 2. So let's get it out. 2 4x plus 1 over 2. By to this with this, it is equal to 4x plus 1. Okay? Or, even simpler than that, if you're going to divide by 2, then divide the 8x by 2, divide the 2 by 2. So it is going to give you 4x plus 1 as well. Because 8x divided by 2 is 4x, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So in both cases, they're going to lead you to the same answer exactly at the end. So it must be 4x plus 1. And when I simplify as we agreed, I must divide both of them, not only one of them, like what Siren did here. So it is 4x plus 1. All right. They want you to substitute x equals 4 into this and work out the answer. Let's do it. Let's erase this. All right. They want you to substitute x with 4. So it is 8 times 4 plus 2. All is over 2, which is the same as 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 2, 34 over 2, which is equal to 17. So if I substitute x with 4 in this, the answer is 17. طب مستر هو Siren showed that this is equal to this. That's what Siren said. The saying to you in question B, use x equals 4 into 8x and work out the answer. Into 8x, it means 8 times 4, which is 32. Oh, so are they equal? Or is this, when I removed x and I wrote 4, the same as this when I removed x and I wrote 4? No, mister, this gave me 17, this gave me 32. They are not the same, and that's what they want you to say in C. Use your answers to A and B to show that Syrian's answer is incorrect. Yes, here it is. Explain the mistake she has made. So we explained already the mistake that she has made. She needed to divide 8x also by 2. So this would be 4x plus 1. We already did this up there. Explain the mistake she made. We explained it. She was supposed to divide 8x by 2, gives her 4x. Positive 2 by 2 is positive 1, so 4x plus 1. This is the mistake that she made. Are they equal? No, they are not equal in Syrian's answer. This one is 17, the other one is 32. All right, here. Look at this, copy and complete the correct solution for Syrian. 8x plus 2 over 2. We got a factor out, which is the 2. So 8x becomes 8x divided by 2 is 4x. Positive 2 divided by 2 becomes positive 1. So bye-bye to the 2 and the 2, like what they have shown you here. What is going to be remaining? 4x plus 1 is remaining, like what we've done up there. This is going to make it even clearer. Question 9. That is going to be much clearer. Look at this. 10x plus 5 over 5. Mister, I'm going to factorize. Is going to become 5. Here is 2x plus 1. Because 10x divided by 5 is 2x. Plus 5 divided by 5 is plus 1. Over 5. Bye-bye. So the answer to this is only 2x plus 1. So what about this one, mister? 15x plus 3 over 3. What are we going to do? Take the 3 out of the numerator. So 3 out. I have 5x remaining plus 1 over 3. Bye. So it's only 5x plus 1 that is going to be left over there. 5x plus 1. Same thing exactly. You need to factorize this. Would be 4. 3x minus 4. How did you do it? It was 12x divided by 4. Negative 16 divided by 4 will give me this over 4. Bye. I will have only 3x minus 4 left. The last one, get 6 out. Factorize it. So 6 out. I can divide both of them by 6. So 3x is going to be remaining here when you divide by 6. Negative 4 is going to be remaining when you divide negative 24 by 6 over 6. Bye. 3x minus 4 is what will be remaining. All right. The next question. Second, let me erase. Let me erase this too. All right, here. They want you to show that the R is even correct. You go one of the two ways. You can get X and you say, well, to find out if Ivan is correct, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to replace X and write 2, for example. Use X equals 2. So use x equals 2. Mr. Ishmana 2, you could have written anything else. Use x equals 3, use x equals 4, whatever, it doesn't matter. The most important, you could even use x equals 1. Fine, use x equals 1. Just use something that makes it easy for you, okay? Just use something that makes it easy. And I will see, if I use x equals 1 here, and I use x equals 1 here, will they give me the same answer or not? To find out if Ivan correct or not, let's do it. Erase, erase. 7x, it means 7 multiplied by 1, minus 14 over 7, plus, if x is 1, 8 plus 6, 8 times 1 is 8, plus 6, 14, over 2. Let's simplify more. This is going to be 7. 7 times 1 is 7, minus 14, negative 7. So it's negative 7 over 7, right? Plus 14 over 2 equals, what is negative 7 over 7? Negative 1 plus 7 equals 6. So, mister, that's it. It is 6. That is for this part. This part is equal to 6. Now, what if I remove this 1? I write also 1. Let's do it. We use the x equals 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. Ivan is correct, because if I use x equals 1, this will simplify to 6, and this will also simplify to 6. So yes, both of them are equivalent, and this one simplifies to this one. The next one here, show that the fraction this can be simplified to this or this. Same thing exactly. Use x equals 1, use x equals 2. You're going to find that this has the same value as this one. If you use x equals 1, you're going to find that this one will give you 8 times 1 is 8, plus 24 is 32 over 2. 32 over 4 is going to give you 8. And here, if you substitute x for 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 6 equals 8. They are the same answer. So to show that they are equivalent, or that this simplifies to that, just simply replace x with 1, replace x with 1, see if they will give you the same value. Question B here, simplify these fractions, write two expressions for each answer, one with brackets and one without brackets. All right, so here I'm going to use the same thing exactly. 6x plus 12 over 3. I have to factorize, so I'm going to take 6 out. And here I will have 6x divided by 6 is x. Positive 12 divided by 6 is positive 2 over 3. 6 divided by 3, mister, is 2. So it is 2x plus 2. Mister, now I did it, but with brackets. They want another one without brackets. No problem. Multiply 2 times x, 2x. 2 times positive 2, positive 4. So I wrote now 1 with brackets, and I wrote 1 without brackets. The second fraction over here, same technique exactly. The same technique. All right, like what, mister, here? 5, take it out. This would become 15x divided by 5, 3x. 45 divided by 5, positive 9 over 5 by. So it's going to become what, mister? You can write it's 3x over 3x plus 9. Now I wrote it without brackets, but with brackets, you can simplify this by taking, you can factorize this by taking 3 out more. X plus 3. Someone else could have done, I will take a Mr. 15, all of it out. So I will have x plus 3. That's going to be the same answer exactly. And so on with triple I. Let's do them. I don't have a problem with that. Let's do them here. Multiply here. I'm going to get a factor out. Let's say I can take 8. No, not 8. I can take 4 out. So 4 is going to become 6x minus 9, right? I could have actually taken 12 from the very beginning. Look at this. Someone might have noticed, oh, mister, I can take out 12. No problem at all. 12, this will become 24x divided by 12 is 2x. Negative 36 divided by 12 is negative 3 over 4. 12 divided by 4 is going to give me 3. And here 2x minus 3. Now this is with the brackets. Step without brackets, expand. 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times negative 3, negative 9. This is with brackets. This is without brackets. So the same technique exactly in this one. No difference at all. You can divide here by 8. Actually, you can divide also by 16 if someone noticed this, or whatever you want. You can write here 16. So this becomes 2 minus 3x over 8. Divided 16 by 8 is 2. 2 minus 3x. 2 times 2 minus 3x. Without the brackets, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times minus 3x is minus 6x. Sorry for the mess that happened here. It looks really messy, but I hope that you understand. The next question here, question 12, it says to you, this is part of Broad's classwork. All right, so here his answer is that use Broad's method to simplify. The same technique exactly like what we've done up there. No difference at all. No difference. You can copy his answers. You can do the same thing exactly his method. Let's do only one of them. I'm going to take from here 3 out. So 3. This is going to be 2x plus 3 over 6. Divide by 3, 1. Divide by 3 is 2. So it will become 2x plus 3, but it's over 2. Because I divided this, simplifying 3 over 6 is actually a half, not 2. This is divided by 3 is 1. This is divided by 3 is 2. So it's 2x plus 3 over 2. Same steps, same techniques exactly with the rest of the questions. Here, you already know that you add and subtract fractions by using a common denominator, like what they've done here. And they showed you even the steps. You can use the same method with algebraic fractions. For example, 1 over a plus 1 over b. They multiplied a by b, which is ab. They multiplied, so here they multiplied down and up by b. And here down and up by a. We already took this. This is by a. So here I'm going to have, well, this is b. b times 1 is just like what they said to you. A times b is ab. And then b times 1, 1 times b, here it is. 1 times a, here it is, which is b plus a over ab. That's just, they just came at the end of the homework, and they got you to the basics, actually, again. So here, how can you do this? Same thing exactly. So let's take f as an example. I'm going to multiply this by h, down and up. Multiply this by g, down and up. So multiplying this by h is going to be what? 3h, h up and h down. 3h over gh. So 3h over g. I'm going to use the capital not to confuse it with the 9. gh minus, multiplying 4 by g, 4g over h times g, also hg or gh, both of them are the same. Now I can add and subtract normally. 3h minus 4g over gh. Weird g. Okay, same thing exactly in d. I'm going to multiply down and up here by b, down and up here by a. So multiplying this here down and up by b, down and up here by a. 2 times b, 2b, over a times b, ab, plus 1 times a, 1a, which is just a, over a times b, ab. The denominators stay the same, ab. 2b plus a, 2b plus a. Is that simple? That's it. Thank you so much, everyone, and see you in another video.